I believe this experience is going to be really helpful for me and kind of like giving me like that really community vibe and helping me branch out of what I learned in high school and how I can expand upon that.
Is my oldest child. He's my first to go to college. So as a parent, there's a ton of nervousness that comes along with that. But knowing that he's coming to join a cohort, to join a group that he'll be able to build bonds with, institute change with, learn with, grow with, it gives me a sense of peace knowing that he'll have a family when he's away from his family.
Cullen applied for provost, and he wasn't welcomed back for the interview. But then we got this email, and it asked if Cullen had applied for codes yet. And I'm like, what is this? So he did. I called to make sure that he was eligible. And here we are. So it means a lot.
So I'm just excited to be able to collaborate with like different people from different backgrounds. Like I already came from just a small school, so being able to meet new people of like different races and stuff is really exciting for me.
For our family, we believe this opportunity for her is also a gift to us to see how she serves in her capacity of growing in her degree, but also growing working with others in the Missouri community at Missouri Botanical Gardens. So we're excited about where this will take her and the work that she'll do in her research, and we're here to support it along the way.